Hi.
God.
Today we're playing Roblox and I have to pick the game. Okay?
Yeah.
So we have to pick.
Guys, by the way, we just woke up. It's like, as soon as we woke up, we wanted to do a video.
Yeah. Okay, let's play the game. What do you want to play?
I don't care what we play.
What's this?
It says survive versus infected Piggy.
Okay, I want to try that.
Survivors versus infected Piggy. We can do that, yeah.
Okay, is it scary?
I don't know.
We didn't play this.
I know, we haven't picked the game yet that we wanted to play. We just wanted to start the video. Oh, you didn't play.
That's Clowny.
Yeah.
That's Pedro Clowny. Piggy evil.
Oh, I guess you get to pick normal them or evil them.
Yes, I want to check out what it is.
Okay, I'm gonna call this video.
Look at this.
Oh, survival. Who do you want to be, evil or do you want to be normal?
No, I want you to pick first.
If this video gets viral, like about 100 views because of him, I'm gonna be happy.
Where are you, Kuya? Oh, I see you. Sonny.
Oh my god, turn down the volume, it's so loud.
Oh, it sounds like a real Piggy.
Yeah, look, like that.
Okay, let's be evil.
It says.
I want to be evil. You want to be Sonic?
No, there's like survivors. There's all of that, and there's all of them. Okay, you want to be evil of them?
Yeah, let's be evil. I want to be the giraffe one. How do you do it?
Oh, I believe you have to go down here.
I'm scared.
Oh, there's more evil people.
You don't have to play this game?
No, I haven't, but I saw. Oh, look, there's evil.
I want to be Piggy.
Evil Piggy.
I'm gonna be Piggy. I'm Piggy.
I'm gonna be. Oh my God.
You want to be Mousy? She's more better.
No, Mousy's scary.
You're scary to me.
Evil Zizzy.
No, I wanted to be Piggy.
LOL.
Wait, I need to start all over. I mean, I have to reset my character.
I'm gonna be Piggy.
You're Piggy?
I'm a
With the bat? How do you put the bat?
No.
Oh, I see it. I see the bat.
Good.
Okay, I'm being Piggy.
I'm resetting my character. I want to see who's on this team. Oh, look.
What?
This is everybody that's not evil.
You want to be that?
No, I'm gonna be evil.
Wait, I have to be. Wait, I need to go potty. I can pause it.
Yeah. Okay, the video is back on. Hi, guys. Ah! Someone's chasing me.
That's me.
Ah!
That's me.
I'm just playing. Should I be Devil Piggy? Should I be that Piggy? Should I be that Piggy? Should I be Madame Gazelle Piggy?
Be Madame Gazelle Piggy. What's this one? The red Piggy.
That's Demon Piggy.
What's Demon?
Really evil Piggy. I don't know how to say it. Evil. Okay.
You want to fight?
Yeah.
You want to do a fighting battle? Wait, where are you?
I went through. Yeah, I went through that.
Okay.
R.I.P. Bunny.
Hi, buddy.
Bunny.
You already died.
Roger, are you sure you want to stay here for about 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Stay on this game for 15 minutes.
Wait for me.
Oh, this is the map.
This is the Piggy map? Look at that Piggy. What's that pig? Oh, that's the good Piggy. Who's that Piggy?
That's not a Piggy. This is the gallery. That's one of the maps that they have in Piggy.
Oh, you have to pay.
Come. I'm coming for you. Come for food.
Ah! Stop! Why are you guarding me?
Die.
Don't get me. Oh, I see Rebecca Rabbit.
Die.
I want to chase her. I'm gonna chase her. I'm red. You. Why did you?
No, she killed you.
How could she kill me?
God. RP. Sub to my YouTube channel. Oh, she reset her character. Remember, guys, to sub to our
YouTube channel.
Yay!
Yeah. Subscribe.
I'm past 45 sub. My next goal is 50 subscribers.
Okay, I want to be infected Piggy this time.
Infected? Yeah, it's actually called zombie Piggy.
Okay,
I
where's
don't
the bone? Where's the bone?
Let me see. The bone. I don't know how to open it. Like mine is ES now. What is it?
What's in my weapon?
This song is copyrighted.
I'll just use the bat. I will just use the bat.
Oh, someone wants to fight me, huh? Fight me.
Someone's like,
hey, there's one.
Okay, I'm gonna be infected Piggy.
Come
my
on.
bat. Look at my bat. You like my bat?
Fight me, homie. Fight me. Where are you?
I'm infected Piggy.
A Piggy was just chasing me. Where are you? Die! That's Ghost Buddy.
I wish I could be Ghost Piggy. Do you have Ghost Piggy?
I only saw Ghost Buddy.
I see Buddy. I'm scared. No! Don't shoot me, you evil pig. Okay. Stop it! Oh, you need to fight. That was me.
I don't think people are gonna think this game is boring.
Oh, what are you guys doing?
A video.
We want to do this early.
Yeah, badly. I want to be this. I'm gonna check my Piggy first.
I actually don't think people are gonna like this video.
Yeah.
Like this video or this evil pig. Like and subscribe. Or this evil Dizzy comes to your house and just goes like this.
Yay!
Shoot you.
I got it with the hammer.
Shoot. And makes you go to sleep forever.
I see you, Kuya. I'm gonna follow you.
Dang! Run. No.
What are you doing with the bat?
Run. No.
I lose a little bit health. No.
I run faster than you.
How?
So I drink the potion.
Chase?
Yeah, I drink the potion.
What's the potion?
The potion of speed.
I drink the potion. I have speed now.
I know, you run fast.
Ah!
Oh,
I see George.
You wanna fight? Huh?
Come here. I mean this thing.
Fight me.
Fight me too.
Oh my god, I'm low health.
You're low health.
Oh my god, he's faster.
He's faster. Why?
Watch this, he can't do it.
I'm gonna be a little bit scarier. Which is the scarier one? Kuya, what is the scarier one?
I don't know.
Do it for. You have to. Oh.
I'm gonna reset my character, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna be Bunny. I'm Bunny. With this.
Okay.
With this.
I
Dang.
want
Yay, this is cool.
to
This is so cool. This is really cool.
I
Do you
just.
see me?
Yeah.
I almost got you. I'm outside.
I'm a regular human. Huh?
Don't shoot me.
Did that even hurt you?
No.
I want to play Speed City.
You could be Speed by drinking the
No.
potion.
Speed City. I want to play Speed City.
Yay, I'm Speed.
I'm gonna play Speed City, guys.
Me too. I'm already Speed now.
But I want to go faster. So I'm gonna call this video.
How do you spell Speed City?
No, it's actually here. Oh, it finally does it right there. Elijah, finally, look, you see how many friends, guys? Elijah only has 5 friends. Cousin Elijah only has 5.
Just join me. I'm already in.
What?
Look at my look. Look at my look. I'm so cool. With the
Alright.
ladybug costume.
People think you're weird. Let's see how. If this video gets to 5 likes, I know you guys love him in the bits.
Yeah, do you love me?
Are you riding?
Subscribe if you love me.
Yeah, subscribe if you like him in the videos. Run! Don't. I roll faster than you.
No. You want to have a race?
Yeah, you run to 20,000. I only run 5,000.
Okay, come on, let's do a race.
Okay, where?
Here. We have to start here and go all the way to the purple city, the purple brick.
Okay, ready?
Set, go.
Go.
I'm winning.
Cool.
Yay.
Look, he's faster.
Yay.
Okay, this one. Run. I want to be in the races. Where's the races?
I don't know. The wings. I want that.
I want that. I want that. You want to see if someone will friend you?
Yeah.
Or do you want to friend someone?
I want someone to friend me so I can have 6 friends.
Actually, I know how. He's only just 5 years old, and his birthday's in July 25th. So we're gonna celebrate doing a gaming video.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a gaming birthday party.
Oh, I got 75 speed.
How many speed did I got?
You got 21,000. I'm in the middle of a vid with my cousin. Why are you mad? We're in Roblox. Oh, did I?
I was riding you. I wanted to ride on you, but you let me go.
Did I hang up or was it you? Join the race.
You hung up.
Oh, because I had it on my ear and just automatically hanged up.
Ready, Kuya?
Yeah.
Like, what are you playing?
Speed City.
Because
I want to
I
win.
know what my new
Hey!
series can be.
Nowhere.
Vanilla,
Yeah.
I found a new series what I can do.
Yeah.
Agaria. I can do Agaria with Jackson now, and I also know how to do my webcam.
I saw the video of the Gario with Jackson.
And did you
Come
see
on,
my
Kuya.
intro?
Yeah.
Who's gonna win?
Do you like my intro?
Yeah. Oh,
It's
someone won.
so hard. We need to get more speed.
I know.
We need to
You know
get
what I did
all of
that? I
those
did
back.
our intro music and